Hi everyone. This is gonna be an episode about my DS and this random game called Birds and Beans. I don't know, my grandpa just got me this DS because he just got it at me and I charged it up. So here it is, Birds and Beans. So I tried it out. It's okay, but yeah, let's get into this. I learned how to record my DS because Duck Trousers, shout out to Duck Trousers. I watched this video on how to record your DS. Yay! I can't get that. Oh, dang it. Yeah. No, I missed. No. No. Okay. Oh. I thought that was a beans or whatever. These don't actually look like beans. They look like flowers or something. Oh my gosh, I might die. Alright, I might lose. I want to see what happens if I lose. Yeah. Man, I'm trying to get it. Alright. So now I'm getting the hang of it, but I'm about to die. Ah! Game over. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna start like my Pokemon Platinum. Yeah, I'm probably gonna record some of that tomorrow or today and upload it. Maybe tonight, and yeah, maybe, but probably tomorrow after church. Yeah. Since I learned how to do it. Oh, dang it. Wish you could jump on this game. Dang it. Birds and Beans. I keep losing. Alright, let's try this one more time. And then I'm probably going to end the video. Let it censor in if it's blurry. Yeah, alright. This is easy. I got that one. Alright, that's good. Oh, that was tight. My high score is 1. Oh my god. I didn't even see that. Oh, dang it. Let's see. Alright. Yeah. Alright. I don't actually know if I'm doing this right. Recording my thing for a different station, but I'm just looking through the camera and playing my game since I know the DS controls good. So yeah, this is the end of the game over. So I hope you like it. Like, comment, and subscribe if you already didn't. If you didn't, just like or comment. Okay? Yeah. PJ Watley.